And what's your teacher's name?
Miss.
Miss what?
Miss.
Miss what?
Just go ahead, Miss.
And how old are you?
See me in the streets.
And what's your name?
Tim.
Sorry?
My name is Tim.
Tim what?
Just Tim.
What's your last name?
Tim.
Are you in nursery?
No. I'm a big boy.
And do you follow your mully?
Yes. Funny with you.
Hi everyone. Look, my arm is cut from spraying the card, and
So Siosi had the fertilizer backpack on, and my dad, I think he broke the string, so he just put ropes on there, and Siosi was fertilizing fertilizing the grass. I don't know if it's called fertilizing, but it's the one that you kill the weeds. Yeah, that one. Yeah,
fertilizing.
and it cut his arm, and he wants to go to the hospital.
I want to go to the hospital, please. Can you someone go to doctor and the ambulance come to my house?
I'm having such a bad day today. Hi, Mummy.
Oh no.
There's a
Ich will mir ja ungefähr zu. Oh. We here at shoe shops to buy my nephew's shoes. Hi baby.
What are you doing? Going to know some shoes.
Dạ, về là phá câu giờ. Sẽ vay ạ. Mà ngay giờ mình sẽ vay. So nice, suppose you, it's so nice. Don't forget, if you want some sports shoes, come visit me and I'll give you a best price. Really?
Shut up. What did you say?
Vay đi King Kong đi vay.
Shut up. People actually have big feet like that.
Oh.
You don't know, your son might have big feet.
How big is shoes?
That is huge. What size is that?
Size 34.
It's bigger than Siosi's head.
Vậy vậy sao ơi thế?
I can't get over how big they are. Oh, they're size 20. I've never seen size 20 shoes before. That's awesome that they cater for everyone. Don't be so rude, Siosi. Hello, my name's Virginia from Texas.
We're from Chinese.
Orcs, because there's some Chinese looking at us. Siosi, you can't say you're from Chinese if the Chinese person is sitting right in front of you.
Okay.
Oh God, Siosi, what are we gonna do with you? Oh, you should buy your safeties from here. These ones. These are pretty mama. Siosi needs new work shoes because you know why? His current work shoes stink like a dead body, like a dead person.
Everyone, we at food court in the mall. Let's buy some food and have some shopping. Here are my food. This is a chicken schnitzel. Really like this food. To be honest. Hungry.
So, I woke up not long ago and we have... Do you guys have this in anywhere other than Australia? probably. But in Australia, we like, I think this is an Australian thing, but I'm not quite sure. But we like to have some Milo. And milk. Look at that, look at that, look at that. What diet? Sorry, what's that? I've got something here. Oh, I'm saving that for my midnight snack. He's so cute. Actually, that's what I used to look like when I was a little baby. I was quite dark like that, with big juju lips. All of my siblings, older siblings, had baby photos, and when I asked my mum, where's my baby photos, she told me that cameras weren't invented then. But can you explain to me how all of my older siblings have baby photos? Maybe they just didn't want me. Maybe they had planned to adopt me. Where's my baby photos? Look, all those baby photos of my older sisters, baby photos, baby photos, baby photos, baby photos, baby photos. And nothing of me. Nothing. Maybe my mum was sick of having kids and was like, okay, I'm over it. I'm so proud of my hair, it's so long. Why do you always watch me? Why do you always watch me? Huh? Do you think your wife is so cool? My childhood in one cup. Yeah, that's yours.
Beautiful.
Use your hand.
Hey.
I've got the 5 drinks, just be careful, the one in the middle is sitting a little bit loose.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you. It's a deep fried Mars bar. Oh, look at little baby. Hi, Fat Sook. It's about 11 o'clock and we're just about to end the vlog. Siosi's already fallen asleep. And I also wanted to incorporate like a new segment sort of thing, as well as our story time that we're trying to do once a week, the story time. But we're just not sure of what to talk about. So if you have any suggestions for the story time, comment them below. Otherwise, the other thing that I wanted to do and start doing now was comment of the day / fun fact of the day. So if you want to know something, just one question, we'll pick one question each time that we vlog at the end of the day and answer it, or just a comment of the day. But anyways, we love you guys and we hope you subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye everyone. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
And if you like it, subscribe.